Want to make your videos easier to follow without typing every caption manually? VEED can automatically transcribe the spoken audio in your video and turn it into captions that you can edit and customize. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add auto captions in VEED in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign into VEED and create a new project. From your dashboard, choose Edit Video to open a blank project, or open an existing project that already contains your video. For this tutorial, we'll use a video that already has spoken audio. Next, upload the video you want to caption. You can drag the file into the editor or select it from your device. Once the upload finishes, place the video on the timeline. Make sure the video has clear spoken audio so the automatic transcription can recognize the words accurately. Now look at the left-hand menu and select Subtitles. Choose the language spoken in your video, then select Auto Subtitle to start the automatic transcription. If your project contains multiple clips, you can choose a specific clip or transcribe the full project, depending on what you need. Finally, play the entire video and check the captions for accuracy, timing, and readability. When you're satisfied, finish the project and export your video. If you want the captions permanently embedded in the video, enable the Burn Subtitles option during export, so your video now has professionally styled automatic captions. And that's how to add auto captions in VEED. Upload your video, open Subtitles, choose the spoken language, generate the captions, correct any mistakes, customize the style, and export the finished video. Taking a few moments to review the transcript can make a big difference in caption accuracy and overall video quality. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.